So right now I'm on the Cascade Trail and it looks beautiful. Well, not climbing over the rock for it, but look up. Let's keep on going. Said I'm only going to do a little bit of the trail and then come on back. Maybe about three miles in, maybe 4. That's it, and then come back. I just want to, you know, just see what's out here and the views. Wow, the views.
Wow, this is so pretty.
Okay, so if you guys are coming, I would say this is only about maybe a mile in to see this view all right here, and it's a worthy view to come right here to do. It's like a mile into the Cascade Canyon Trail. You can just come right here, stop, and go back, and I think it's worthy of a shot. Like, it's beautiful. Like, I've been here for like what, 15-20 minutes already, taking like 1,000 photos right now. And like I said, if this is a worthy, like I said, if you got time to come up this way, come up this way. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's worthy. There you go, it's worthy shot. Another thing about it is it's not as busy as it is on the inspiration point of Jenny Lake. It's not as busy. So if you want to beat a little bit of the crowd, come out here to the Cascade Canyon Trail, which I knew was going to thin itself out, because people kind of just don't come out this way. They just turn back around, call it a day. But yeah, I don't blame them. I don't blame them. But keep going. You get this, like I said, it's like a mile in. You ain't gotta go that far. It might be not even a mile in. Don't even have to go that far. This is beautiful. That water looks good. Probably to be right. Now they say on the reviews that you can just go maybe a mile or 2 or 3 in, and then that's it, because the views is just nothing but trees. But they're probably right. Everyone says the same thing.
Hey.
Hello. You know, how people say that, you know, you get some of the views and then it's just the journey after that point. I guess it all depends on how your mindset is and how you look at it on the hike all the way down. Like I said, I'm not going that far. Probably might just stop right here and then just go back. But we'll see. We'll keep going and see what happens. I will say that this trail is well maintained. It's not like crazy. I mean, you are going to go up a little bit of elevation to get to this spot, but it's not that bad of a trail. Just take your breaks, drink and bring water, although there's a stream right over here. But if you got filter water, I would bring that little part to you, and then you can drink the water from the river. So you're not going to go starvation of, dehydration out here. You may starve a little bit, but if you don't have any food. But dehydration is no way. You can just drink some water out here. Hey, your body's going to do what it's got to do. But this trail is beautiful. I'm enjoying myself at Grand Teton right now. I am enjoying myself. I'm, seeing people, visiting people, not visiting people. I'm, listening to people's story and how they got here. Like the ranger program in the beginning, I would recommend you come out here early for that. Way worth it, and it's just the moose trail, and it's right there. You don't have to do the full trail. I didn't because I wanted to come out here. But I will say this: it is worthy to do the little ranger programs in the beginning. So if you get out here early, probably you want to get out here like around 7:30 to get a good parking spot, because it started to fill up around 8:30. I was like, wow, my goodness, because there's just a lot of trails around here and people want to do them. And also it's Jenny Lake. It's a very popular trail. So I would recommend getting out here early to get a parking spot, and then just take your time out here and enjoy the trails. And also take the boat tour across from Jenny Lake. It's kind of cut off the 2 miles getting up here. I would recommend doing it, and just getting the one a little tack to, which is the both ways back. So you won't strain yourself out here, you want to enjoy yourself and keep doing trails the next day. Don't be like me and try to do a long 14-mile trail and then you bust your legs open and stuff like that. So this is where I'm going to go a little bit further in, and then turn around and then go back all the way straight down to the boat. Okay, so right in that area, I think that's what they're talking about, the waterfall coming off from the snow in the distance. I'm falling out here. I think that's what they mean, the waterfall in the distance. Yes, I am still on the Cascade Trail. I know I said I was going to turn around in the woods, but someone said, let's keep going up. We're going to see some good views, and and now I'm here. So there's supposed to be some waterfalls. You can see right there. That's the waterfall they're talking about right there. I think right here I'm going to turn around. Unless somebody comes up and says, there's more. I'm like, oh God. But I think I'm going to turn around at this point. I don't think there's anything else, but yeah, this just keeps going on and on and on, and then I kind of want to get back. Yeah, it can keep going on to the trails. You can keep going all the way down, but this is where I'm going to stop. Unless somebody tells me something else is up above the trail. But I think I'm going to stop right here. And I think from the All Trails Trail, see on here, I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't. This is how far I got. So I got past this, which one right here, which is the Cascade Canyon. That's where I was at. I was at the Cascade Canyon. And then now I only did a little bit of part right here. And I'm pretty much, I did pretty well. Came a far way. But I'm going to go back. And the thing is, there's nobody like barely on these trails if you come to the Cascade Canyon one. But I think I'm going to stop right here. just because I want to get back. I do want to get back. And also I'm by myself. So if a bear comes out, I'm screwed. So if you do come out here a little bit later, like around 3 o'clock, you'll see it's less people out here. It's less than before. It was crowded. It's crowded. Now it's like less people here. But how I got up here was through this way. Just be careful about getting up here. But it is an amazing shot. A little bit more. This tells you how far I was into near the Cascade Canyon. And it was worth it. Do it. Just go past here, all the way here, and then you're going to keep going around, and that's where you're gonna go to continue your journey into the Cascade Canyon trail. It is worth it. You may see a moose. Some people did, but I turned around and didn't see it, so a little annoyed about that. And that's why it's important to tell people, like, you know, did you see a moose? You know, but no one said anything. So I was like, all right. Normally, I always pass it around. If I see a moose or a bear or something in the distance, I'll tell people, like, hey, keep going. You're going to see moose or a bear, but be careful. Just pass it down and gives people like that encouragement to keep on going. You know, had that couple told me about the moose, I would have still kept on going, but I turned around. It was too late by that time. So you can see moose, and someone said it's all bear in that area too, but it's still a hit and miss. So I'm gonna keep going down, get back on the boat, take it all the way back because I'm not walking around. It's 2 miles that way. I'm like, I'm good. A little pooped out. And also I want to get to the visitor center before they close at 5 o'clock. I think it is. I think it's what it said on the thing. Because I want to buy some things at the shop too. I want to buy like 2 shirts at the shop and get my get my passport stamped as well. So let's go and do that.
Thank you guys for watching. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guide Adventures, and also follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.